The ENSCO Rail Autonomous Track Geometry Measurement System is the result of FRA-sponsored research and years of ENSCO internal R&D. It measures and reports every aspect of track geometry, including gauge, cross-level, twist, warp, profile, alignment, and curvature. The result is a comprehensive assessment of track geometry and provides all the information you need to improve safety and implement efficient track maintenance. ENSCO Rail delivers world-class track inspection capability to improve railway safety and efficiency.